Welcome to my channel Edutech Idea. Friends, in the series of ManageEngine Endpoint Central, today I will guide you how to install or uninstall a specific patch to endpoint machines. So first we need to go to configuration tab. I have already logged into my endpoint central console. So click on the configurations and click here on the configuration Windows, and you can create here multiple configurations as per your requirement. Now we want to install Windows patch to endpoint machine. So click on the install or uninstall Windows patch. Click on the computer configuration. Now computer configuration for Windows patch is open. Here type the configuration name. So I have to type here the Windows 22H2 feature update. Okay, this is the configuration and now here add patches which you want to install to the endpoint machine. So click on the add patches. Now click here the search button and go to the patch description tab. Here you can type the specific patch name, like I want to install Windows latest feature pack to the endpoint machine. So I have type here feature update. Okay, click enter. Now you can see here all the features pack which available for the Windows are showing here. So feature update via Windows 10 version 22H2 enablement package, also feature update via Windows 10 version 20H2. So I want to latest Windows feature patch update install to endpoint machine. So I have to select the feature update 22H2. Okay, and click on the add. Now patch is added for installation to deployment endpoint machine. Select here the applied deployment policy. Now you can select any one of the uh, deployment policy which you have created. I have created too many deployment policy here. I will guide you later how to create a deployment policy. First, so we want to deploy anytime at the earliest policy. So anytime this policy can be applied to the endpoint machine for installation the feature update. Okay, go scroll down. This is the retry this configuration to fail target. Okay, and now deploy immediately. Okay, so here first uh, select the target machines. Okay, so which we want to install, in which machines we want to select here the target machines. First you can uh, select the your domain. Also if you want to uh, deploy this patch to all the domain machines, you can select simply here the your organization domain and click on the deploy. Okay, if you want to a specific distribution machines you want to deploy or a specific computer you want to deploy, first you want to select here the your domain. Okay, and then click on the specific. Okay, I am selecting here the. Okay, so now I'm selecting here the domain, like what group, and click on here and select here the you if you want to deploy the specific distribution machine, select here the your distribution machine created in your environment. And also you can deploy the specific computer. Type here the computer name and then deploy the policy. After deploy the configuration created, and next communication agent and distribution machine, the patch deployed to the endpoint machine.